Wait, us, guys. Is this thing on?
Like that. Pet the tiger.
The fuck is that? Hi.
At Maple View Golf Course, ladies and gentlemen.
Quick. Golf wang.
Pro go, actually.
How was that? Embarrassing. I'm gonna use it.
The tiger for good luck. Pet the tiger.
Oh.
Kaylin will do it. Clap that ass.
My revenge.
Oh my god. Look at that. Doesn't like it. He doesn't like it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That's chill. Say hi.
Say put the dog on the smoker.
Nice, Liam. Say bye-bye to your ball, though.
Eat your dinner. Eat your dinner.
These fine golfers right here. We got in the inventory here today.
We have a chocolate milk and coffee. Straight up water. Special juice.
Now the
Special
balls
juice.
are
Special juice.
Strange.
It's spicy and special.
you charging like a bullboard, isn't it?
See that?
Uh-oh. Striptease. Like that.
Where's the Marshall when you need him?
Get some more water in you. You were recording that, right?
They're fucked up and they're still out shooting us, guys.
Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Eat my ass, Tina.
Board needs ass.
Yeah. What's your favorite color? Black and blue.
Yeah.
Like your way though.
Crew is rocking. If I just drive straight again, we're good.
That's a clean ball. He's making piss.
Making piss?
Making piss? 6 hours.
Don't do that.
Those 360 cameras.
Anything.
It knows who you really are.
See, the problem with these cameras, I can't be normal. Hi.
Here, hole 1, 8 in the morning, 3 hours of sleep, nice drink. Ah. That's a nice drink. Couple fucking gals.
Wake up.
Another one.
Yeah. Yeah. 27 holes. Having a blast. What kind of old man?
Geriatric old fool. Couple of dog muckers. These chicks love weenies.
Just my sick nasty. No.
You're a freak, Noah.
Nah.
She likes it. She likes it. 195. Nice fucking hit. You've been doing that a fair bit.
Look kind of huge on camera though.
Little fella. Nice fucking shot. I'm gonna make these folks suck my ass. I'm hoping that my viewership really goes up this month. Kind of hoping to retire. Nothing but ass sucking. Puke in my mouth. What's that there?
It's a good doe deer right
Little
there.
doe fucking deer, little goddamn doe deer right there. Alright, we're out here after 9 on July 6th. There's the scores. Seems like some fucking bullshit to me, buddy. Got a 6-shot decline from yesterday on the front. Kill me. Fuck. Die. We've been playing golf for 2 hours. I've taken no videos.
This guy left his putter. What an idiot. What an idiot. Bubba hates the rain. You might as well melt away. At Maple View Golf Course, ladies and gentlemen.
Quick reach, it's wetter than you.
A good time to comb my hair though, actually.
God, you look good. What do you got there, Nor? Little shit. Little shit.
I'm a little hungry.
Good stuff, Nora. Ah, you're on the green. She fucking likes it. She's a saucy minx. She's a saucy minx.
You know, I had a thought.
Perfect power. Edging me right now. Mike just edged me so hard.
Crazy. Say take him out for dinner at first because it's his birthday. But...
Freaking out right now.
Yes, Key.
Actually have a different generation. Man, just send it through there.
No. Yep, actually just keep driving.
She loves it. She fucking likes it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Piss monsters. Gassed up right now.
We were in Chevy, Colorado.
You guys,
I just learned how to fucking front flip. Oh.
Shit, bop.
Yo. Your dogs. Look at those dogs.
Fucking dog. Wow.
You want to see it? You want to see
What the fuck is that?
it? Dirty ankle. Oh.
Rose, don't fuck it up.
No.
Don't break
I'm fucking it up. I'm fucking it up.
Oh, you got a jelly
Oh,
cake?
fuck, I'm
Yeah.
fucking ready. I gotta go on the opposite side.
Oh, God damn it.
oh shit.
What the fuck? It's paint, man.
Oh.
Somebody's been
Smells like paint.
going
No,
rogue.
it smells like paint remover.
Swimmies!
In there.
Fuck you!
I don't know how to use it. Angles backwards, so.
Nora doesn't know how to handle
Where do you guys want to go?
Yeah, it's a nice drink.
Save the time to drive.
Going to Charlie.
Charlie, bet, man.
Oh! Would you like a beverage this evening, ma'am? Offer you sustenance. Oh shit, there's some brews. Also, you're smoking in a vehicle with a child. Are you?
All black Maybach, but I'm not a racist.
And his name is Diamond Joe.
Why is he calling you
I'd out to Diamond Joe, boy. I never saved a dollar in the Bay of Diamond Joe.
Indeed, I did wear that evening.
Right.
You know, the evening of the crime. Is up my
What you're
home.
saying is I did not steal it, right?
I'm saying that you did not steal it. Same evening.
Really?
Caught boozing.
Oh, my.
Yeah. So sweaty. We're here to see what
Paul, in the barn. You showing your Johnson off over there?
Man, I have epilepsy and it fluctuates.
Where's your flag?
That's from my skull.
I also have a flake.
For your birthday. What? No. Fuck. That's not cool. That's not cool.
Couple of piss monsters.